Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT course. This is class 26 of CSAT FIT course. In this class, we are going to discuss about factors. This is part 1 of factors. Okay, so if we see in 2023, two questions are asked from factors. Okay, one is this and another question is this one. So before 2023, UPSC hasn't touched factors in CSAT paper, but in 2023 it has asked two questions. So these are concept oriented questions, but to understand factors we need to start from basics. We need to understand number of factors, etc, etc. So basics से शुरू करते, then we will be doing these questions. Okay, so let's start with factors. So what are factor? Like what does factor means? Like what does factor means? So factor is, say a number is 12. Okay, all the divisibles of 12. Okay, factors are divisors. The numbers which divide any number, those are divisors, right? So say a 12, so factors are divisors of 12 are what? 1, because जो 1 table में 12 आता है, और if we divide 12 by 1, remainder would be 0. 1 12s are 12, so remainder would be 0. So any number when it divides another number, the remainder is 0, that is called factor. So for 12, 1 is factor and 2 is also factor and 3 is also factor and 4 is also a factor and 6 is also a factor and 12 is also a factor. So 1 is factor of every number and the number itself is also factor of every number. So similarly 2 12s, 2 6s are 12, remainder is 0. So कोई भी number divide करता है, so like when remainder is 0, that is called factor. Similarly 3 12, 3 4s are 12, so remainder again is 0, so 3 is a factor. Similarly 4 is also a factor of 12, 4 3s are 12. ठीक है, similarly 6 is also factor of 12. so ये होता है factor. ठीक है, where remainder 0 आता है, so all these are factors of 12. ठीक है, then we need to understand difference between factor and multiple. ठीक है, factor or divisor or multiple. So factors, say 12 का factors are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. These are factors of 12, right? Factors of 12 we have seen. And on the other hand, multiples of 12 are what? Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, so on. So if we see, हमेशा factor is less than or equal to number. ठीक है, so multiple is number का multiple. This is what? 12 into 1. This is what? 12 into 2. This is 12 into 3. This is 12 into 4. Multiples of 1 2 3 and all of the number. So multiple is always less than or equal to the number. So ये पता चल गया. factor है जो भी numbers like factors of 35, हमेशा factors will be less than or equal to the number, and multiples are always multiples are greater than or equal to, sorry. So here multiples are always greater than or equal to the number. Okay, so that's the difference we need to show. Now while studying factors we will deal with many things, like say number 12. Okay, number 12. So for that we need to find factors, right? So first thing is, there is many things like number of factors कितने होते हैं and sum of factors कितने होते हैं and all. So we will briefly discuss. फिर एक एक चीज डिस्कस करेंगे. For number 12 let's discuss कि क्या क्या चीजें डिस्कस करते हैं. ठीक है, तो नंबर number of factors we will discuss. So number of factors is, for 12 number of factors is what? 6. So we have seen here, see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of factors of 12 is 6. Okay, that is 1 2 3 4 6 comma 12. So number of factors are 6 for number 12. And second, sum of factors. Sum of factors. Sum of factors is what? 12 का sum of factors. For a number 12, sum of factors is, these are the factors, ठीक है, उनका sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. If we add, that would be 28. So sum of factors of 12 is 28. So we are basically adding the factors. Okay. Then third is number of odd factors. Number of odd factors, that is, so odd factors are what? 3 is an odd number and 1 is an odd number, right? So number of odd factors is 2 odd factors are there, okay? That is 1 comma 3. Odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9 etc. That is net number of even factors. So number of even factors is what? Even factors are 1 2 3 4. So number of even factors are 4, that is 2 4 6 12. Okay. Then आता है fifth one, that is sum of odd factors. Sum of odd factors. Sum of odd factors is what? That is odd factors ये है, ठीक है, उनका sum, that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 4 is the sum of odd factors. Then आता है sum of even factors. Sum of even factors. So even factors are what? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. That is sum of even factors. That is 24. 24 is the sum of even factors. Then seventh is product of factors. Product of factor. So product of factor is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. Okay. So if you do that, that would be, say, see, this is 12 into 1, this is 6 into 2 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. So product of factors, we can simply say the number cube, that is 12 cube would be the product of factors. Okay. So these things, but issue आता है, see, this is number 12. See, we can get only 6 factors. So number of factors, we can say sum of factors, we can do the addition, and we can say odd factors also we can easily identify from 6 and we can say. But अगर number मान ले बड़ा number दिया होता, ठीक है, that we cannot write, we cannot keep on writing, right? So there are certain rules to get these, like number of factors, sum of factors, odd factors, even factors, sum of odd factors, sum of even factors, product of factors, etc. There are certain rules, so we need to study those rules. Okay, this is just to understand कि sum of factors क्या होता है, product of factors क्या होता है, factors क्या होता है and all. ठीक है, so to do this for big numbers there are certain rules. So now we will be studying those rules. ठीक है, so first is put the heading, that is number of factors. Number of factors, that is how to calculate number of factors. Okay, so number of factors, this is the first one we are studying here. So number of factors. So number of factors, see, let's check it for 12 only. 12. Okay, so number of factors, to calculate number of factors of 12, okay, we use prime factorization method. Prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization, that is, okay, so 12 can be written as, okay, so prime factorization में there are different ways of doing prime factorization. The common method is 12 ले लिया, then prime factorization, you need to bring this number into multiples of prime numbers. Okay, into multiples of prime numbers. So prime numbers are what? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, okay, 11, 13, etc. so on. These are prime numbers, right? So we need to bring this number into multiples of prime numbers. So we can take 2 here. So 2, 6 are 12. Then again 2, 3s are 6. So 12 would be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So prime factor, this is 12. So we need to make the number into prime factorization. So prime number से उनका factorization ये आ गया. So now, so this is what? 2 into 2 into 3, right? So this is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. So to find out number of factors is what? To get number of factors, what we need to do? ये जो power है 2 to the power 2, that is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 3 to the power 1 में 1 है, 1 plus 1. So in these powers you will add 1 and you will multiply. So that is 3 into 2. 3 into 2. So that is 6. So there are 6 factors. Number of factors is 6. So 12 के लिए we have seen number of factors क्या है? 6 है. So we will, any number given, we can use this method of prime factorization to get number of factors. So now let's see for a number 24. 24 के लिए number of factors क्या है? Number of factors. ठीक है. So 24 we need to bring it into prime factorization करना है. Prime factorization. ठीक है. Prime factorization. So 24, 2 12s are 24, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 3s are yeah. So prime factorization of 24 is what? 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. This is what? Nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. Okay, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. So number of factors calculate करना है. Number of factors, how we can calculate is, that is 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So that is 4 into 2. Okay, that is 8. So number of factors of 24 is 8. ठीक है. So ये इस powers में plus 1 ऐड करना है, plus 1 ऐड करना है. ठीक है. Then उनको multiply करना है to get number of factors. ठीक है. ये हो गया 24 का number of factors is 8. So now let's see another big number. ठीक है. Big number का factors, number of factors. Okay, so now let's see total number of question is total number of factors of 3600. ठीक है. So now 3600, see 3600 को prime numbers में break down करना है. ठीक है. 3600. So 3600 can be written as 36 into 100, 36 into 100. Then 36 can be written as 2 into 18. ठीक है. So हमें prime numbers में break down करना है. So 2 into 18, 18 can be break down as 2 into 9 and 9 can be break down as 3 into 3. See, 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3, 3. So this can be written as 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. ठीक है. ये prime number. If you multiply 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So ये 36 को we have written in the form of prime numbers. अब 100 को भी लिखना है. So 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So 10 can be break down as 2 into 5. This 10 can also be break down as 2 into 5. So this is nothing but, so इसको फिर into 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. ठीक है. अब इस entire 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 10 is 100. So basically what we are doing is, if we multiply all these things, that would be 3600 only. ठीक है. Multiply, so 10, 100, 100 into 3 is 300, 300 into 3 is 900, 900 to the 1800, 1800 to the 3600. So 3600, ठीक है, 3600, ठीक है, this is written like this. ठीक है. So basically what we have done is, we have done prime factorization. We break down this number into prime numbers. So prime numbers, so now count 2's, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2 to the power 4 into 3, 1, 2, so 3 square into 5 square. ठीक है, that is what we are getting. So अब क्या करना है, to get total number of factors, that is to get number of factors is equal to 4 plus 1, 2 to the power 4 है, 4 plus 1, ठीक है, 5 into 2 plus 1, here 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, this 3, that is 5 into 3 into 3, that is 5 3s are 15 and 15 3s are 45. So number of factors of 3600 is 45. अब इसका मतलब क्या है, ठीक है, there are 45 numbers, ठीक है, 45 numbers, that is 45 numbers जिनसे डिवाइड करेंगे तो 36500 को, तो रिमाइंडर वुड बी 0, दैट इज क्या नंबर्स होंगे वो 1, ठीक है, 2, ठीक है, 3, ऐसा सो ऑन कुछ नंबर्स होंगे, दैट दीज ऑल दीज नंबर्स वुड बी 45 नंबर्स टिल 3600, ठीक है. सो देयर वुड बी 45 नंबर्स जिनको 3600 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा, ठीक है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 3600 इज 45. देन लेट्स सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, दैट इज 1470, ठीक है, 1470 इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, ठीक है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स 1470, सो 147 into 10 we can write, ठीक है. So 10 can be written as 2 into 5, ठीक है. See, prime factorization we will be studying this extensively in LCM and HCF chapter also, ठीक है. So इस तरीके से करना है, नहीं तो ये भी कर सकता है 1470, राइट. सो 2, so 7 and 35, 7 35 2s are ये, देन 5 से 5 टेबल में 5 1s are 5, 2 3, so 5 4s are 20 and 3 35, 7s are 35, 147, and 147 can be written as 49 into 3, 3 से 3 4s are 12, then 2 7, so 49 times, then 49 can be written as 3 से नहीं कटेगा, 5 से नहीं कटेगा, 7 7s are 49, so 7 can be written as 7 1, so 2 into 5 into 3 into 7 into 7, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 square, ठीक है. So that would be 2 to the power 1, ठीक है, 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, so 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, so that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, so this is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, so 24 factors are there. So this is one way, ठीक है, जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है, ठीक है. देन अदर मेथड इज ये 10 कर लिया, so 2 into 5 में प्राइम नंबर्स में आ गया, देन 147 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 into 49 and 49 can be written as 7 into 7, these are prime numbers. So again it would be prime number 3 into 7 into 7 into 2 into 5, 2 into 5, so that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 square, ठीक है. So 1 1 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, ठीक है, into again 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3, so इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई किया तो you will get 24. So there are 24 factors. Total number of factors of 1470 is 24, ठीक है. So that's how we will calculate total number of factors. अगर बड़ा नंबर भी दिया, so अब total number of factors का मतलब 24, so there are from 1 to 1470, ठीक है. इन सब को मिला के there are 24 numbers जिनको डिवाइड करेंगे, 147 को डिवाइड करेंगे, we will get remainder 0. that is the concept of number of factors, ठीक है. so ये हो गया. then कुछ कई बार नंबर ऐसा भी देता है, एंड समटाइम्स दे गिव नंबर लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, ठीक है. जैसे नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जैसे 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 4, ठीक है, नंबर इज 2 to the power 3 इंटू 3 to the power 2 इंटू 7 to the power 4, ठीक है, इसका नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करो, नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स, ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोलेगा. सो हाउ यू विल डू, सी दिस इज प्राइम नंबर, हमें क्या देखना है, प्राइम नंबर्स का बेसिकली दे आर गिविंग डायरेक्टली दिस नंबर, राइट. सो वन थिंग वी मस्ट इंश्योर इज ये प्राइम नंबर का ही फैक्टर्स होना चाहिए, एस 2 इज ए प्राइम नंबर, 3 इज ए प्राइम नंबर एंड 7 इज ए प्राइम नंबर, ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर का फैक्टर्स है. सो 3 + 1, ठीक है, पावर्स का +1 ऐड करना है, देन पावर 2 + 1, ठीक है, देन पावर का +1 दैट इज 4 + 1, ठीक है, दैट इज 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 5, ठीक है. So 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So number of factors is 60 here. Number of factors is 60. ठीक है, number of factors is 60. Again let's check another number. Question is number n is equal to 4 to the power 3 into 16 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1, ठीक है. Find the number of factors, number of factors, ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन है. नाउ सी दिस इज, चलो सी, अब वी नीड टू चेक प्राइम नंबर्स का लेना है, वी नीड टू फाइंड प्राइम नंबर्स का फैक्टर, बट 4 इज नॉट ए प्राइम नंबर, 16 इज नॉट ए प्राइम नंबर, ठीक है. अब ये ले लिया हमने, मान ले नंबर ले लिया भाई, इसका पावर का लेना है. सो 3 + 1 इंटू, ठीक है, 2 + 1 इंटू 3 + 1 इंटू 1 + 1 ऐसा करके किया तो ये गलत हो जाएगा, बिकॉज ये प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं है. तो वी नीड टू टेक प्राइम नंबर्स का पावर, सो वी नीड टू ब्रेक दीज नंबर्स इनटू प्राइम नंबर्स. सो प्राइम नंबर्स कैसे ब्रेक सकता है, 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू 2, 2 इंटू 2 इज 4, ऐसा लिख सकता है. 2 इज ए प्राइम नंबर, 2 इज ए प्राइम नंबर. देन 16 कैन बी रिटन एज, 16 कैन बी रिटन एज, ठीक है, 16 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू 8 टू द पावर स्क्वायर, ठीक है. अगेन 8 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, सो 8 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू 4, ठीक है, एंड 4 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, सो 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू 2. सो दिस एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन कैन बी रिटन एज, ठीक है, इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Let me erase it. So this can be written as, let me erase this and write it. So this can be written as, so basically we are writing 16. 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power square. That is 2 2s are 4. ठीक है, 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. ठीक है, 16 square into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1. So अब 2 into 2 is what? 2 square. ठीक है, सो 2 स्क्वेयर टू द पावर 3 इंटू 2 to the power 4 to the power 2 इंटू 5 to the power 3 इंटू 7 to the power 1. So now we know a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. ठीक है, a to the power m into n, right? a to the power m into n. So this would be 2 to the power 3 into 2 is 6 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 is, that is 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1. So this is what? Then again we know a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. ठीक है, so this would be 2 to the power, ठीक है, 6 into 2 to the power 8. This would be written as 2 to the power plus 6 plus 8 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1. That is 2 to the power 14 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1. See, I am writing everything so that you can understand easily. ठीक है, so this is 2 to the power 14, 5 to the power enter. So फिर number of factors है, we need to get number of factors. So we got all prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. So उनका factors 14 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. ठीक है, so that is 15 into 4 into 2. So 15 4s are 60, 62s are 120. So 120 is the answer. ठीक है, so number of factors is 120. So here one thing you need to note down is, प्राइम नंबर्स का ही फैक्टर्स लेना है. We need to take factors of prime numbers only. Prime numbers only. Now why? Because only prime numbers can't be further divided. So we will take only the prime numbers का factors. ये इसीलिए prime numbers पे break करना है सब numbers को, then only we will take those powers. See, this is the power and उनको +1 add करके multiply करने से we will get number of factors. ठीक है, so ये हो गया. ठीक है, this is the thing with how to deal with number of factors. ठीक है, this is total number of factors. ठीक है, so now let's see proper factor. ठीक है, so ये होता है proper factor का question. So let's understand what is proper factor. So put heading that is proper factors. ठीक है, proper factors. So proper factors में, so in proper factors is what? Say proper factors of 12. ठीक है, proper factors of 12 are, so we normal factors of 12 are what? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. ठीक है, these are factors. In proper factors we don't take 1 and 12. ठीक है, we don't take, so these are factors, right? These are factors. ठीक है, proper factors में we don't take number itself and 12. So we will take 2, 3, 4, 6. So these are proper factors. These are proper factors of 12. So proper factors में, so note is we don't consider 1 and number itself, consider 1 and number itself as proper factors. Because ये तो सबके लिए factors है ना, 1 and number itself is factors for every number. So proper factor. So we can say proper factor is equal to number of factors minus 2. Proper factor is equal to number of factors minus 2. ठीक है, so that is the thing. ठीक है, so now let's see the question. ठीक है, question is find the proper factors of 2490. So 2490. So proper factor is what? Proper factor is number of factors, total number of factors minus 2. So we can find, so इसको prime factorization करना है. So 2940 can be written as into 10. ठीक है, so 10 can be written as 2 into 5. ठीक है, so 294 can be written as 2 into 147. 147 is 294. Then 147 can be written as 3 into 49. 49 3s are 147. So prime number, then 49 can be written as 7 into 7. So ये हो गया. So now let's take prime numbers. So 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 2 is prime number and 5 is prime number. So basically we need to write down all these. 2 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 2 into 5. ठीक है, ये 2940 is equal to. ठीक है, so इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 that is 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 square. 7 into 7 7 square. So ये आ गया proper fraction में. So total number of factors is, that is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. ठीक है, so that is 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. ठीक है, so 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. ठीक है, 36. So 36 है answer. No, 36 is not the answer because we need to find proper factors. Proper factor is equal to number of factors minus 2, that is 34 is the answer. So proper factors are, we don't take 1 and number itself. So 1 comma 2940 we don't take. So बाकी बचा हुआ नंबर से बीच में वो 34 numbers होगा. So that is proper factors. So this is the proper factors. So in proper factors we don't take 1 and itself, we take all other factors. Okay, so that is proper factors. Okay, now let's talk about even factors, that is number of even factors. Okay, so proper factor we are done with. So now let's see, put the heading, that is number of even factors. Even factors. Number of even factors. So how to count number of even factors? See, let's take example of 12. Okay, so 12 का factors is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. That is 6 factors are there. So even factors are 2, 4, 6 and 12. That is, these are even numbers. 1 and 3 are odd numbers, right? So even factors, 4 even factors are there. ठीक है, अब बड़े नंबर के लिए कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, that we will see. So to get that, so number of even factors is equal to, so this is, so 12 can be even factors is equal to 4 here. So अब फॉर्मूला से थ्रू कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, so this is 12 can be written as 2 into 3. ठीक है, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12. ठीक है, so this is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. ठीक है, so even factors में, to get even factors we keep even power as it is. ठीक है, so that is even power, even number 2 is an even number, so even numbers का power we will keep as it is. जो +1 ऐड नहीं करेंगे, into जो नॉर्मल ऑड नंबर्स का पावर है उसमें ऐड करेंगे +1, 1 + 1. so that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. so even factors are 4 जो आएगा. so one note you need to write is, note is ठीक है, while calculating even powers, even factors, we keep even numbers power, even number. ठीक है, that is only 2 is a even prime, right? so that is even number will be always 2. अगर but 2 का power we keep even number और 2 का power as it is, or ठीक है, we keep at it is, or we don't add 1, we don't add +1. ठीक है, इवन नंबर्स में एज इट इज पावर को जैसे है जितना है उतना लेंगे, और वी डोंट ऐड +1. ठीक है, ऑड नंबर्स का पावर्स का वी विल ऐड +1. ऑड नंबर्स पावर्स वी ऐड +1. ठीक है, सो ऑड नंबर्स पावर्स वी ऐड +1. दैट इज द रूल. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जांपल, यू विल गेट द क्लैरिटी. ठीक है, जैसे नंबर इज, ठीक है, नंबर इज 2 to the power 6 into 3 square into 5 to the power 1. ठीक है, 5 to the power 1. ठीक है, we need to find out number of even factors. Even factors is equal to question mark. So even power के लिए क्या है, so even number है, so इनका power है 6 we will take as it is, and बाकी 3 का power उनको add 2 + 1 and 5 power 1 + 1. so that is 6 into 3 into 2. so 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. so number of even factors of this number is 36. Similarly, let's take another question, that is number of even factors ऑफ 240. 240 का इवन फैक्टर्स क्या है? सो 240 कैन बी रिटन एज, इट कैन बी रिटन एज 24 इंटू 10, ठीक है. 10 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू 5, 24 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 इंटू 12, and 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So that would be 2 prime numbers का ले रहा है. So 240 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So that is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. So even factors है, will keep even number, 2 is even number, ठीक है, and 2 to the power 4 को as it is, and odd numbers है 3 and 5, ठीक है, उनका पावर को +1 1 +1 करेंगे, ठीक है. सो नाउ इट वुड बी 4 into 2 into 2 would be 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So there are 16 even number factors, even factors for number 240, ठीक है. So that is the thing, ठीक है. So now let's see. अब एक चीज you can, one thing you can ask is why we are not taking like 2 to the power 0 only, ठीक है. So उसका explanation है, तो उसका explanation can be given as, see here for this 12 this is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1, right, we got, ठीक है. Final factorization we got is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1, ठीक है. So now 2 to the power 2 can be written as 2 to the power 0, ठीक है, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2, ठीक है. Then 3 to the power 1 can be written as 3 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 1, ठीक है. अब फैक्टर्स बेसिकली क्या आता है, ठीक है, इनटू इनको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक है. से 2 to the power 0 का वैल्यू इज 1, ठीक है, 2 to the power 1 का वैल्यू इज 2 and 2 square is 4. Similarly 3 to the power 0 का वैल्यू इज 1 and 3 to the power 1 का वैल्यू इज 3. सो फैक्टर्स इज व्हाट, फैक्टर्स इज नथिंग बट इनका पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना, ठीक है. सो नाउ सी वन फैक्टर इज जैसे 1 into 1, ठीक है, जैसे 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 1, that is one factor. Similarly 1 into 3 to the power 1, that is 3, that is 1 into 3 is equal to 3, ठीक है. that's how we calculate. Similarly फिर 2 to the power 1 को सबसे मल्टीप्लाई करो, ठीक है, that is 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 into 3 to the power 0 is 1, that is again 2, ठीक है. then 2 to the power 2 into 3, ठीक है, that is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, ठीक है. Similarly then 2 square is 4, 4 into 1, 4 into 1 is equal to 4 and 2 square that is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, ठीक है. so 1 2 3 4 5 6. so all the factors का possibilities क्या है, ठीक है, factors का possibilities is these are the possibilities. now even factors 4 है, so इधर देखो even factors क्या क्या आ रहा है, ठीक है. so we don't take, ठीक है, 2 to the power 0 because when we multiply 2 to the power 0 हमें आएगा odd number, ठीक है. 2 to the power 0 into 3 is odd number, ठीक है. 2 to the power 0 into 1 is odd number, so we don't take 2 to the power 1 into 3, sorry ये 1 into 3, 2 to the power 0 को नहीं कंसिडर करते हैं, ठीक है. so that's why 2 to the power 0 को we will take 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2 because when we multiply 2 to the power 0 we get odd numbers as factors, ठीक है. फिर even में इसीलिए कंसिडर नहीं करते, ठीक है. so ये है. now let's do the question, that is find the even factors of 10500. so that can be written as 105 into 100, ठीक है. 100 can be written as 10 into 10, ठीक है. see I am writing everything because to make you understand, नहीं तो इसको मैं सीधा लिख सकता हूँ, ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं इसको सीधा लिख सकता हूँ. 100 can be written as 2 into 5 square, ठीक है, because 2 into 5 10 square is 100, so that would be 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2, वही 100 है, ठीक है. so इधर वही चीज इधर we are writing 2 into 5, ठीक है, then 2 into 5, ठीक है, सेम चीज. then 105 5 से करो, 5 into 21, देन 21 इज 7 इंटू 3, ठीक है. सो प्राइम नंबर्स सब देखो, दैट इज 5 इंटू 7 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 2 इंटू 5, ठीक है. सो दैट वुड बी 2 टू द पावर 2 इंटू 3 टू द पावर 1 इंटू 5 टू द पावर 3 इंटू 7 टू द पावर 1, ठीक है. सो इवन नंबर से, सो इवन नंबर का फैक्टर है वो हम ऐसा रखेंगे. सो 2 इंटू दिस इज 1 प्लस 1 3 का, देन 5 3 प्लस 1 इंटू 7 1 प्लस 1, ठीक है. सो दैट वुड बी 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 4 इंटू 2, ठीक है. सो 2 इंटू 2 इज 4, 4 4s आर 16, 16 2s आर 36, 16 2s आर कुछ हुआ है क्या. सो 4 2s आर 8, 8 2s आर 16, 16 2s आर 32, 16 2s आर 32. सो 32 इज द आंसर, ठीक है. 32 इज द आंसर. सो इवन फैक्टर्स, सो इवन फैक्टर्स में वन थिंग वी नीड टू रिमेंबर इज, ठीक है, 2 टू द पावर या इवन नंबर टू द पावर को वो लेते हैं, ठीक है. सो दैट्स बिकॉज उसका भी प्रूफ है या रीजन जो है वाई वी डोंट टेक +1, दैट ऑल्सो वी हैव कवर्ड. सो ये हो गया नंबर ऑफ इवन फैक्टर्स, ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट ऑड फैक्टर्स. Okay, now let's discuss about odd factors. So put a heading, that is number of odd factors, number of odd factors, okay, number of odd factors, okay. So now again let's start with say 24, ठीक है. 24 का factors, ठीक है, 24 का factors, ठीक है. और उससे छोटा नंबर लेते हैं, दैट लेट्स टेक 12. 12 का फैक्टर्स इज 1 2 3 4 6 एंड 12. दीज आर फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12, राइट. सो नाउ ऑड फैक्टर्स आर 1 एंड 3, ठीक है, 1 एंड 3. सो टू गेट 12, सो 12 कैन बी रिटर्न एज अपना फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म में, दैट इज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, दैट इज 2 टू द पावर 2 इंटू 3 टू द पावर 1. सो विच इज ये, तो इससे आ गया टोटल फैक्टर्स इज नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स इज 2 प्लस 1 इंटू 1 प्लस 1, दैट इज 3 इंटू 2 इज 6. नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स इज 6. देन नंबर ऑफ इवन फैक्टर्स इज इक्वल टू 2 टू द पावर है, उसको ऐसा ही रखो, 2 इंटू 3 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 is number of even factors, ठीक है. even factors 1 2 3 4 आ गया, ठीक है. then number of odd factors is equal to, so in odd factors we don't take 2, we only take odd numbers का power, ठीक है. so we don't take 2 का power, even number का power, we will just take odd numbers का power and add, that is odd number is 3 here, 1 plus 1, ठीक है, that is 2. so there are 2 odd factors, that is 1 and 3, 2 odd factors, ठीक है. number of even factors, number of odd factors, ठीक है. so note here is that is to count number of odd factors, we don't take even numbers or that is 2's power, we don't take even number or 2's power, okay. we don't take even numbers or 2's power, okay. so that's the thing. so now let's see for 24, ठीक है. 24 can be written as 2 into 3, ठीक है. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. so 24, so that is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1, ठीक है. so number of odd factors we need to count. odd factors is equal to, so 2 का पावर से वो कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे, so 3 to the power 1 है, so 1 plus 1, ठीक है, that is 2, ठीक है. So number of odd factors of 24 is 2 odd factors. ठीक है. So now let's see another number question, that is number n is equal to 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 1. Find out number of odd factors. ठीक है. Find number of odd factors, that is, so odd factors find out करना है. We don't take even number का power. ठीक है. We don't take even number का power और 2's का power. So a काट दिया. So 3 to the power 3. So that is 3 plus 1 into, ठीक है, 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So that is 4 into 3 into 2. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 odd factors are there for this number. ठीक है, for this number. Now if you want to find out की reason कि भाई 2 to the power 2 का powers क्यों नहीं लेते to get odd factors. ठीक है, to get odd factors, so we can say, see 23 का 2 to the power 4 का देखते हैं. ठीक है, that is 24 का. ठीक है, 24 का we are getting 2 to the power 3 comma 3 to the power 1. ठीक है. So factors, so 2 to the power 3 can be written as 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Similarly 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1 and 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8. Value of this, so 3 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 1 is 3. So what are the factors we get is multiplication of 3. So 2 to the power 0, that is 1, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. ठीक है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है. So 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 3 is equal to 3. ठीक है, then 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. then ये हो गया. फिर इसको 4 into 1 is equal to 4 into 1 is equal to 4, then 4 into 3 is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12, then 8 into 1 is equal to 8, then 8 into 3 is equal to 24. ठीक है. So now see 2 into 3, 4 into, ये सब का even factors आ रहा है, even factors. So except for 2 to the power 0, ठीक है, except for 2 to the power 0, that is 1 into 1 and 1 into 3, सिर्फ यही odd numbers आता है. So जितने भी odd number to the power होगा, ठीक है, सिर्फ उतने ही factors आएंगे. ठीक है, उतने ही odd factors आएंगे. So that's why we don't take 2 at all, rather just count 3 to the power, वो जितने 1 plus 1, so उतने odd factors आएंगे. ठीक है, odd factors आएंगे. So here also जितने भी odd powers है उनका प्लस 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 करके मल्टीप्लाई करो, you will get odd factors. ठीक है. So now let's do one question, that is find out number of odd factors of 7200. Number of odd factors of 72 into 100. ठीक है. So that is 100 is what, 2 into 5 to the square, that is 2 5s are 10, 10 square. ठीक है. 72 is 2 into 36. So 36 can be written as 2 into 18, 18 can be written as 2 into 9, 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 square into 5 square. ठीक है. So this is 2 cube into 2 to the power 5. ठीक है. So that is 2 to the power 3 plus 2 is 2 to the power 5 into 3 power 2 into 5 to the power 2. So odd powers है, so we will don't take 2 to the powers, then 3 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 here. So that is 3 into 3. So that is 9. So number of odd factors of 7200 is option B, 9 is the answer. Option B, 9. ठीक है. So that's how we calculate 9 odd factors, even factors we have seen. ठीक है. number of odd factors and even factors. So now let's see the questions asked in UPSC CDS paper. ठीक है, so this is question. See, I'm not doing too many questions because ये UPSC में पूछा नहीं है like CSAT paper, and even if they are asking from factors, number of factors, they are asking concept based questions. वो हम next class में करेंगे, ठीक है, next class and next to next class. So here, so CDS का question asked in 2022, that is a number n is given, that is n is equal to 12 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 3. Which of the following statements are correct? So number of odd factors is of n is equal to 60 and number of even factors of n is equal to 720. So we need to find out number of odd factors and even factors. So अब देखना है इस नंबर को. See, this is not an prime number. 12 is not a prime number, so we need to break this number as prime number. This is prime number and this is prime number. So 12 can be written as 4 into 3. ठीक है, again 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 12 can be written as in prime numbers में 2 into 2 into 3 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 8. ठीक है, so because we need prime numbers only, right? Prime factorization करना है, so prime numbers. So now this can be what? This is 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 8. 5 to the power 8. So this is what? 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 6 is, so see, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. ठीक है, a to the power m plus n. 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6 is, that is 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 8 is 3 to the power 6 plus 8 into 5 to the power 8. See, I am covering every basic चीज़ें भी explain कर रहा हूँ. So 2 to the power 12 into 3 to the power 14 into 5 to the power 8. So अब ये आ गया हमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म में इस नंबर का. ठीक है, नाउ नंबर ऑफ इवन फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, सो नंबर ऑफ ऑड फैक्टर्स पता करना है, नंबर ऑफ इवन फैक्टर्स वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. सो इवन फैक्टर्स इज व्हाट? ठीक है, सो इवन फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ इवन फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ इवन फैक्टर्स. Number of even factors is, in even factors what we will take? We will keep the 2 to the power 12 as it is, that is 12 into, ठीक है, 3 to the power 14, that is 14 plus 1 into 5 to the power 8 plus 1. ठीक है, so that would be, sorry, ये 5 to the power 8 नहीं, this is 5 to the power 3, गलती से 8 लिख दिया हर जगह. So this is 5 to the power 3. अरे 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. So here it is 3 plus 1. ठीक है, so 3 plus 1. So that would be 12 into 15 into 4. So 15 4s are 60. 60 into 12. ठीक है, 60 into 12 is 120 into 6. ठीक है, 60 into 120 into 6. So that is 720. So number of even factors is 720. S 720 दिया है, this is correct. Now number of odd factors. ठीक है, so number of odd factors is equal to, so odd factors क्या है? ठीक है, odd factors में क्या लेना है? so even number का बिल्कुल नहीं लेना है. ठीक है, odd numbers का लेना है. so that is 14 plus 1 into 3 plus 1, so that is 15 into 4. ठीक है, that is 60. 15 4s are 60. so 60 is the number of odd factors. S 60 is given, so this is also correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. अभी पूछा होता total number of factors. ठीक है, number of factors, total number of factors होता simply even plus odd add किया तो we will get 720 plus 60 is 780. अगर count ही करना है, ठीक है, we can simply take, जैसे expression क्या आया, 2 to the power 12, right? 2 to the power 12 into 3 to the power 14 into 5 to the power 3. So that would be 12 plus 1 into 14 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. ठीक है, that is 4 into 15 into 13. ठीक है, so 15 4s are 60. 60 into 13, that is 130 into 6, ठीक है, 60, 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 7, 780. So 780 would be the total number of factors. Okay, so that's how we can calculate number of factors. Okay, so now let's move to another question. See, this is question asked in SSC CGL 2018. So we need to like if number n is equal to 4 to the power 11, 4 to the power 12, 4 to the power 13, 4 to the power 14. Okay, how many positive factors of n are there? That is basically number of factors. Number of factors. ठीक है, number of factors पूछ रहा है. ठीक है, so one way of calculating this is, ठीक है, so how we need calculate. So n is equal to 4 to the power 11 plus 4 to the power 12 plus 4 to the power 13 plus 4 to the power 14 is given. इनका number of factors calculate करना है. ठीक है, so we need to bring this number to prime number factorials, prime number to the power. So how we can do is, see, we can take 4 to the power 11 common from all these numbers, that is 4 to the power 11 into 4 to the power 11 common लिया, ठीक है, that would be 1 here, ठीक है, plus 4 to the power 12 में से 11 लिया, so 4 to the power 1 will be left, plus here 4 to the power 2 will be left, plus here 4 to the power 3 will be left. ठीक है, so 4 to the power 11, ठीक है, 1 plus 4 to the power 1 is 4, then 4 to the power 2 is 16 plus 4 to the power 3 is 64, ठीक है, is equal to 4 to the power 11, ठीक है, into 64 plus 16, 4 plus a, if we add 64, 74, 80, 85, so is 85. So 4 to the power 11 into 85. So now 4 to the power 11 can be written, 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 to the power 11 into 85. 85 can be written as 85 5 table में, ठीक है, so 5 into 17, 5 17s are 18, so again 17 is a prime number, so this can be written as 5 into 17, ठीक है, so this is 2 to the power 11, that is 2 to the power 2 in 11 into 5 to the power 1 into 17 to the power 1, so that is 2 to the power 11, so 2 to the power 2 into 11, that is 2 to the power 22 into 5 to the power 1 into 17 to the power 1, ठीक है, so अब इसका factors करना है, so all are prime numbers इनका, so that is 22 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, so that is 23 into 2 into 2, ठीक है, 23 into 2 into 2, so 23 2s are 46, 46 2s are 92, so 92 will be the number of factors. ठीक है, अब देखो what we are doing is, आखिर में कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? कॉन्सेप्ट इज वी नीड टू गेट द प्राइम फैक्टोरियल फॉर्म. इस नंबर को प्राइम फैक्टर्स, प्राइम नंबर्स का फैक्टर्स में लेके आना है, ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर्स का फैक्टर्स में लेके आया, देन द कॉमन मेथड, ठीक है, ये 4 टू द पावर 11 को कॉमन करके वो किया, ठीक है, नहीं तो ये काम कर सकता है, इसको भी, दैट इज 4 टू द पावर 11 को यू कैन स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर टू द पावर 11 प्लस 2 स्क्वायर टू द पावर 12 plus 2 square to the power 13 plus 2 square to the power 14. So that would be 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 24 plus 2 to the power 26 plus 2 to the power 28. ठीक है, ऐसा. now 2 to the power 22 को कॉमन ले लो, 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 6, ठीक है, so 2 to the power 22 into 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 to the power 16, 2 to the power 6, sorry, 2 to the power 6 is 2 to the power 4 is 8, so sorry, 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 2 to the power 8 is 32, 32 into 2 is 64, ठीक है, so again सेम ही आ रहा है देखो, ठीक है, so 2 to the power 22 into 85, ठीक है, so 2 to the power 22, ये देखो 2 to the power 22 into 5 into 17, 2 to the power 22 into 5 to the power 1 into 17 to the power 1, ठीक है, सो ये सेम आ रहा है. सो दैट्स हाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज, इस जो भी नंबर दिया उसको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म में लाना है, then we can calculate. ये काफ़ी important question. This question is asked in SSC and some other exams also. बहुत बार बहुत एग्जाम्स में पूछा हुआ है ये क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. सो प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. देन आता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, दैट इज n इज इक्वल टू 4 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 6. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ n. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ n. सो n इज इक्वल टू 4 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 6. ठीक है, अब इसको क्या लाना है, प्राइम फैक्टर्स में लाना है. सो प्राइम नंबर, सो 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 2 to the power 4 plus 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 6. So that is 2 into 2 is 2 square. 2 square to the power 4 is 2 to the power 8 plus 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6. ठीक है, so now we can take 2 to the power 6 common. 2 to the power 6, so इधर से 2 square बचेगा plus 2 to the power 6 पूरा बाहर आ गया, so 3 to the power 6 बचेगा. ठीक है, so that is 2 to the power 6 is what? 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 3 to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6 is, we know, 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 3 to the power 5 is 243. 3 to the power 6 is 729. So plus इधर आएगा 729. 729. ठीक है, सो 729 इज 2 to the 733 plus 4. So 733. So now 733 is a prime number. Prime number itself. So हमें क्या है, so 2 to the power 6 into 733 to the power 1. So अब टोटल नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स करना है. सो दैट इज 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. ठीक है, दैट इज 7 into 2. सो दैट इज 14 इज द आंसर. सो 14 इज द आंसर. अब इधर यही होता है कि ये प्राइम नंबर है या किस में मल्टीपल. जो देखो 733 प्राइम फैक्टर में, यू 2 नंबर में नहीं आएगा. 3 से डिवाइड करो, 3 1 जार, 3 2 जार 6, 1 3 13, then 3 4 जार 12, then 1 3. So 3 4 are 12. So remainder is 1. So 3 टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा, 4 टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 5. So ऐसा ऐसा करते. So only thing is ये प्राइम नंबर है. So that is the difficulty here. ये प्राइम नंबर है, ये कैसे पता चले. So we need to do like 6 टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 7 टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 8 टेबल में we won't get it. So we will take prime number. So prime number का पावर. So प्राइम नंबर्स का फैक्टोरियल्स लेना है, prime numbers. So that is the thing. So option C. Now let's do one more question. ठीक है, ये इधर दिया नहीं है. So that is n is equal to 6 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 6. ठीक है, find number of factors. Number of factors. ठीक है, so number of factors. So that is n is equal to 6 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 6. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 4 plus 2 into 3 to the power 5 plus 2 into 3 to the power 6. So that is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 into plus 2 to the power 5 into, ठीक है, 3 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6. So that would be 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 कॉमन ले सकता है. ठीक है, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 कॉमन. ठीक है, दिस वुड बी 1 plus 2 to the power 1, that is 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 2 square into 3 square. 2 square is 4 into 3 square is 9. So 4 9s are 36. ठीक है, प्लस 36. सो अब 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 तो प्राइम नंबर्स ही है. सो इंटू 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 into 43. So again 43 is a prime number. प्राइम नंबर. अब ये कैसे प्राइम नंबर है पता चलना है. ये ना सिर्फ 1 टेबल में आता है, 2 टेबल में नहीं आता. ठीक है, 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता, 4 से नहीं होगा, 5 से नहीं होगा, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, so remainder 1 6 से नहीं होता, then 7 नहीं होगा, 8 8 5 are 40 नहीं होगा, 9 टेबल में नहीं आता, then 10 टेबल में नहीं आता, 11 में नहीं, 12 नो, 13 नो, 14 नो, so on में नहीं आता, so this is a prime number, so this can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 43 to the power 1. So number of factors करना है, so 4 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3 to the power 4, 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So that is 5 into 5 into 2. So 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. So 50 is the answer. So total number of factors of this number is 50. So अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो simply what you can do is you can just 6 to the power 4 को common ले लो, ठीक है. So that would be 1 plus 6 to the power 1 plus 6 square, ठीक है, that is 6 to the power 4 into 1 plus 6 plus 36, ठीक है, that is 6 to the power 4 into 43, ठीक है. So 43 is a prime number, so 6 to the power 4 can be written as 2 3 into 4 into 43, so that is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 43 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 4 plus 1 is 5 into 4 plus 1 is 5 into 1 plus 1, so that is 50 would be the answer here, ठीक है. So number of factors, ठीक है, so 50 is the answer, ठीक है. So like this you can calculate. So these are important models, ठीक है. In next classes also जैसे जैसे sum of factors वगैरह वगैरह करेंगे, so we will deal with those topics and ऐसा questions भी discuss करते रहेंगे, you will get more clarity. So basic funda is prime factorization, prime numbers form में लाना है, उससे तुम factors निकाल सकते हो by remembering various notes or tricks और formulas of even numbers, prime number, etc. ठीक है. So यही है, and these questions also we will do in next classes. ये काफ़ी conceptual questions है, easy questions है, एक बार concept समझ में आ गया, questions practice कर लिया, we can easily solve these kind of questions in examination hall also, ठीक है. So that's it for today's class. See you in the next class. Bye.